Hi there, my name's Karen Crooks from Sunflower Stitches, and today we're continuing with our blocks, and we're going to concentrate today on flying geese. And you can see them here on the side of our block. You can also see them again, so they're flying down here, and you can see bigger ones on this block at the top here. And that's fine if you want to create flying geese all in the same colour. If you want to create flying geese in different fabrics, then you can choose the alternative method of flying geese, and that was to use your rectangle and your two squares to create your individual flying geese.